Welcome to a Flightstream tutorial. In this video, we are going to go over adding control surfaces to a mesh. The first step is going to be importing our virtual curves from our desired geometry file. Once we've done this, we're going to select our curves and reorder them from root to tip. In this case, it is in the positive y direction. Next, we'll select our CCS wing mesh tool, mark our trailing edges, and select our CCS subsurfaces tool. Our flap will be added as a gapped subsurface. We'll deflect our flap to 40 degrees and adjust our slack gap to 0.05%. Next, we'll create our aileron as a morphing subsurface. We will deflect our aileron upwards by 10 degrees. We'll assign our curves and create the mesh. To create a proper half model, we're going to remove this side face from the central portion of the wing. Now we can set up our solver parameters. We'll assign the wing, flap, and aileron to our vorticity CDI boundaries, enable viscous coupling, and create an airfoil separation boundary condition to which we will assign the wing, flap, and aileron. With this done, we can initialize our solver. We'll use a subsonic model, mirror symmetry, and declare proximity detection between our wing and the flap side. We'll use the default value for the termination X location. We'll adjust our color map to our desired settings. Now we will run the solver. And with that, we have properly applied control surfaces to our wing mesh. Thank you for watching this control surface tutorial in Flightstream.